outside when they be rap. We all in scat packs, we the fastest. 3-round burst, sound like it's lagging. I ain't friendly, almost popped the fan up cause he tried to glitch through my phone and tried to stab me. Now I'm shooting shots at her daddy. Kill my nigga if he steal cause all he had to do was ask. We done cut the pint, boys, we hit a pint and seal it back. Cost so much they'll break up in my crib to steal a match. Play crazy, we throwing stones at a nigga, we a flag.
You can now become a member of the channel, man. If you want to join the Rerock Boys, all you gotta do is go to my page, press join. Hold on. Let me hit the bev. I'm telling you, bro, it ain't nothing like a good cold water. But listen, what is up, YouTube? It's your boy Rerocktactical. I'm back again with another video. But look, so I told y'all I'm building 3 micro ARs right now. Well, I already got one built. I'm building 2 new ones. Y'all already seen the 7.62. I actually took the micro buffer off that and put the Strike Industries buffer tool back on because I got a 300 blackout arriving soon, and I'm putting that buffer on there. But I low-key came up on some, yeah, like a gem low-key. Now, y'all know me, bro. I built a lot of micro ARs. I done ordered a lot of micro AR uppers, the complete kits. I done did a lot. This is the first time I've ever ordered, excuse me, bag of chips at ass people. It's the first time I ever ordered an upper, and it came and I didn't have to do anything. I didn't have to tighten the gas block. I didn't have to tighten the barrel nut. It came with everything already perfect. Amazing. Me. And now I can get you guys 15 to 25% off using my code, which will be in the comments. But let's get right into the video. This is my new 5-inch 5.56 micro AR pistol. Yes, micro AR pistol. Yes, it's 5 inches. Yes, I don't care about the velocity. Yes, you know why? Because I'm not building guns to harm people. I'm building guns to take them to the range to have fun. Building my channel around fun, range content. You know, it's just fun. Living life, doing what you love. This is a hobby. We love to do it. Now, if you're talking self-protection, that's different. Back to what we're on. Here's the micro AR pistol. Now, YouTube. This is a 10-round magazine, so it's not messing with your mag limits. So please monetize this video. But here it is, man. For shorty. Ooh, wee. Mama, she's clean. I'm talking about Jesus Christ. Man, I'm talking about like, this motherfucker looks so nice to me. Now, y'all know me. This is just a start. Gotta get these pins gone. Get some FDE pins. I'm gonna do all the accents FDE. I'm gonna do FDE everything. Bolt catch. I'm gonna do FDE mag, FDE safety. But this, let me show y'all this. No bullets in the magazine. Go on, that's clear. I'm gonna just start like, cause I don't even know where to hold it, cause I just wanna show y'all the whole gun. I wish I could just set it right here and let it float. Now, as I said, when it came, I didn't have to do nothing but put it on the upper. Everything was tight. Hand guard was tight. A2 flash hider was tight. Gas block was tight. Barrel nut was tight. I still took everything off and checked it because that's what I do. Now, I'm just going to go over the build, tell you everything. So we're going to start from the back on this one. So for this one, I went with the FDE micro buffer. I have the black micro buffer right here. Now, one thing I can say about this micro buffer, spring is 10 times stronger. It feels 10 times better. When I charge the gun, it feels smoother, like it's not forcing it. So I feel like this buffer right here is really gonna do a great job. Now mind, I've had about 5 or 6 buffers. I got a majority of them from this company because the first buffer I got from another company did not work. But every buffer I got from this specific company, oh my God, ran like there's no tomorrow. So I got the FDE buffer. I got the cute, I got the little, the end plate with the QD swivel mount. There it is, bag of cereal snacks. I got the end plate with the mount, with the clip for your sling mount. You got the regular takedown pins, regular safety, regular mag release, regular trigger. Y'all know me. Drop in trigger gonna be added. Don't even worry about that. It's gonna be added. We got the FDE dust cover. Now, for the upper, everything on the upper that's FDE came like this, and it came very goodly coated. Only thing I can say, installing that, did scratch it a little bit, but it's a gun. You feel me? It's not your pair of shoes. It's gonna get scratched up. But other than that, everything came coated perfectly. None of the coat was too heavy to where I couldn't charge it or couldn't screw anything on. Everything was coated perfectly. FDE upper. Got the 10 round hex mag FDE. Faxon firearms lower. I'm starting to like Faxon firearms. A2 grip, but I'm gonna switch this out for the mag pull FDE. And we got a M-Lock 4.25 inch or 7.5 inch handguard, which actually feels amazing. And it actually looks like you can mount a little bit more on here, because on the other upper I got from another company. But standard gas block, standard A2 flash hider, but it's FDE. Now, I wonder if this FDE gonna go away, but I don't think it is, because I've had a couple guns that was a FDE one of these, and it's sticked. But for this gun, it's gonna go, I'm gonna drum, I'm gonna put the red dot, flip up sights, FDE, everything FDE. Switch this out, and this gun is gonna be another YouTube gun. I'm gonna try to make some content with it, go viral with it again. You know. But other than that, this is just the build. The discount code, get you some percentage off, cause this upper is nice. Like it's just built better. It feels better. Feel like it's gonna do its job. I only put 30 rounds through it, but it went like butter, and like I couldn't believe it. Cause normally you get a micro AR first time you shoot it, it's wheel jam. The 300 blackout will be arriving tomorrow, so now we'll have a 7.62, 300 blackout 5.56, all micro AR pistols. Now, I will be doing tests. I will be testing the recoil with the micro buffer, the Strike Industries buffer, a pistol tube, and a brace. And I will be getting the recoil, showing you guys. And to me, this micro buffer on the 5.56 has no recoil. That's why I'm taking it off my 7.62 by 39, because the recoil is goodness. Yeah, so I gotta put the blue buffer tube back on there, because the recoil on there was kind of manageable. But this 5.56 has no recoil, and it's amazing. Looks amazing. You know, I like eye candy. I like hanging stuff up, looking at it while I'm asleep, wake up. Man, that's amazing. Go back to sleep, dream about it, killing zombies in my dream. I might paint that brown as well, but might not, you never know. Just be on the lookout, because I got another build. I actually got 2 more build video releasing, but this is just me showing y'all it. First looks of the new micro build. I will do an updated video on this, showing you guys. Just look at that, with the micro mag. So we're gonna be testing them as well. But as of right now, this is how it looks. Till more parts come in. Like I said, I also got another one I'm going to be putting together. As soon as the upper comes in, I'm going to do a video on that. And I'm also going to do a company versus company video. You guys already asked, oh, so I'm going to let you know. Like I said, link will be in the comments, discount code for the upper. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. This is the micro 5-inch AR pistol in FDE. You know, I've done red, blue, so this is FDE. Now, my 300 blackout, comment what color should I do with that one. Comment what colors. Tell me what colors, because if you watched it to the end of the video, comment what color I should do. And if I like it, I'm going to cash up you or something, man. But this is the micro AR pistol video, so make sure you like, comment, subscribe. And also, if you didn't see the unboxing video of this custom Glock 19 Gen 5, the video will be in the comment section. I mean, the video will be in the description. So make sure you go check this out as well. It's your boy, Rerocktactical. I'm out. Oh, wait. The giveaway. Nah, I hit 80K subs, so I'm giving away a flashlight combo holster and a beam in a combo holster. Hit me up on IG. We'll be right here. Hit me up on IG to see how to enter, man. Thank you guys for 80K. Be looking for that 100K. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. And stay on the lookout for these new micro builds I got coming, because I'm doing them part by part. I'm not just going to... Normally, I just get every part and then do the video. But now, I'm going to do it part by part. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe.